Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're doing a deep, honest, and 100% user-focused comparison between two of the safest and most trusted crypto exchanges in the world, Kraken versus Coinbase in 2025. If you live in the USA or Canada, this is one of the most important decisions you'll make before trading crypto. With regulations tightening, security becoming a priority, and exchanges being forced to meet stricter compliance standards, choosing the wrong platform can cost you time, money, and peace of mind. So in this video, we'll compare Kraken and Coinbase in every detail that matters: safety and regulation, security and asset protection, trading experience, fees and hidden costs, supported coins, liquidity and speed, deposit and withdrawal reliability, beginner friendliness, customer support, overall trust score. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which exchange is better for you in 2025. Let's get started. 1. Overview. Kraken versus Coinbase. Who are they in 2025? Before comparing them, let's quickly understand who these companies are in 2025. Coinbase, founded in 2012, located in the United States, publicly traded on NASDAQ, ticker COIN. One of the most regulated crypto companies in the world, focused on beginners, long-term investors, and security. Extremely popular in USA and Canada, Coinbase represents trust, regulation, and simplicity. Kraken, founded in 2011, located in the United States, known for the best security reputation in the crypto industry, offers advanced tools like margin, futures, region-based, and deep analytics. Very popular among serious traders. Kraken represents security, advanced features, and reliability. These two have completely different strengths. Let's compare them step by step. 2. Regulation and legal compliance. This is the most important part of this comparison, especially in 2025. Regulation determines user fund protection, withdrawal reliability, custody laws, audits and transparency, government trust, whether the exchange can operate safely long-term. Coinbase regulation. Coinbase is regulated by U.S. Department of the Treasury, over 40 state regulators, FinTrack, Canada, FCA, UK, European regulators, registered as a publicly reporting company. Coinbase must follow strict laws because it's publicly traded. This makes Coinbase one of the safest, legally compliant exchanges in the world. Kraken regulation. Kraken is regulated in USA, Canada, Europe, UK, Australia, Japan. Kraken follows global AML, KYC laws and is consistently praised for transparency. But it's not a publicly traded company, so its reporting requirements are different from Coinbase. Winner: Coinbase. Coinbase has the strongest regulation footprint. Kraken is excellent, but Coinbase is unmatched in legal compliance. 3. Security and asset protection. This is where Kraken shines. Kraken security. Kraken is famous for 0 major hacks in over 12 years, cold storage with industry-leading isolation, SOC 2 Type 1 and Type 2 certifications, cryptographic proof of reserves check, strong withdrawal verification check, encrypted API plus trading engine security check, internal penetration testing. Kraken is often called the Fort Knox of crypto exchanges. Coinbase security. Coinbase also has extremely strong security, 98% cold storage, $250,000 FDIC protection for USD, institutional custody for big investors, device-level verification, advanced risk scoring system, insurance against platform-level breaches. Coinbase has better insurance structure, while Kraken has better technical security. Winner, Kraken. Kraken takes the lead in security engineering, Coinbase in insurance plus regulation. But overall, Kraken is more security-oriented at its core. 4. Fees and trading costs. Fees are extremely important for traders. Coinbase fees. Regular Coinbase equals high fees. Avoid this. Coinbase Advanced Trade equals much cheaper. Fees depend on volume. No major discounts. Not ideal for high-frequency traders. Kraken fees. Much lower trading fees. Better for spot trading. Cheaper for market takers. Kraken Pro offers very competitive rates. Great for active traders. Winner, Kraken. If fees matter to you, Kraken is far cheaper. 5. Supported cryptocurrencies. Coinbase supports major coins, adds new tokens slowly. Very careful with listings. No very small cap coins. Kraken supports more coins than Coinbase. Has many mid-cap options. Still avoids risky coins, but is more flexible. Winner, Kraken. 6. Liquidity and trading speed. Liquidity determines how fast an order fills and at what price. Coinbase. Very strong BTC E3 liquidity. Excellent for big US customers. Smooth during high volatility. Kraken. Extremely deep liquidity. Excellent for margin. Stable even during major market crashes. Winner, Kraken. Kraken is slightly faster and more stable during high volatility. 7. Deposit and withdrawal reliability. Coinbase. Very reliable for US and Canada. Fast ACH transfers. Supports PayPal withdrawals. Nearly instant crypto sends. Very low withdrawal problems. Kraken. Very reliable as well. Bank transfers are smooth. Verification is strict. Crypto withdrawals extremely fast. Both are excellent, but Coinbase is smoother for beginners. Winner, Coinbase. 8. Beginner friendliness. Coinbase. One of the cleanest UIs in crypto. Easy for absolute beginners. Clear fees. Simple deposit options. Kraken. More advanced layout. More trading tools. Beginners may feel overwhelmed. Winner, Coinbase. Coinbase is unbeatable for beginners. 9. Customer support. Coinbase email support, live chat, phone support, region dependent, large customer support team. Kraken. Email plus live chat support, more professional responses, faster for advanced traders. Winner, Kraken slightly. Coinbase has more options, but Kraken offers better quality replies. 10. Who should use which exchange? Choose Coinbase if you want. Maximum regulation, easy-to-use app, cleanest user experience, FDIC protection for USD, simple crypto buying, a platform for beginners, long-term trust. Vocalist choose Kraken if you want. Best technical security, lower trading fees, more trading features, better liquidity, more supported coins, a platform built for serious traders. Summary. Coinbase equals safest legally. Kraken equals safest technically. 11. Final verdict. Both exchanges are excellent, but they serve different types of traders. If you value regulation, insurance, and simplicity, Coinbase is the clear winner. If you value security engineering, low fees, advanced tools, and stable trading, Kraken is the better choice. There is no bad option. Both are among the most trusted crypto platforms in the world. Before we finish, remember this. You don't have to pick only one. Many smart traders in 2025 use both platforms strategically. They use Coinbase for long-term holdings, USD deposits, and regulated safety, while using Kraken for trading, better liquidity, lower fees, and enhanced privacy features. This hybrid approach gives you the best of both worlds. Also, always enable two-factor authentication, use withdrawal whitelists, secure your email, avoid SMS-based authentication, and never click unknown links. Even the safest exchange in the world can't protect you if your personal security is weak. Whether you choose Coinbase or Kraken, your safety depends not only on the platform, but also on your own security habits. Trade smart, stay safe, and always double-check everything before you invest. Thanks for watching the Kraken versus Coinbase 2025 Trusted, Regulated, and Secure Crypto Exchange Comparison. If you found this video helpful, like the video, comment which platform you prefer. Subscribe for weekly crypto breakdowns, safe trading tips, and regulated exchange reviews. See you in the next video. Stay safe, stay informed, and trade smart.